I'm going to show you guys how to fix a scratched vinyl record. Now, the lighter the scratch, the easier this is to fix, okay? Remember, this thing does not weigh a lot. Here's another trick you could do if you make it weigh a little bit more by placing maybe like 5/4 on there. That makes it sit harder, and that will clean out that groove that scratch caused. If it still skips, yeah, it means your scratch is a little bit heavier. And what you're gonna do is take a wooden toothpick, and while this is running, all you're gonna do is hold that toothpick and have a steady hand and just hold it and let it sit in that groove, okay? If your toothpick is sliding all around, then it's not working real good. You have to hold it steady so you're in that little groove that like how the needle would stay in, and let it go round and round. And you don't press hard at all. You just let it go round and round. You'll have to do this probably for about a few minutes, maybe at least 5 minutes, to go around that scratch to catch it. You could stop the record, but I like doing it when the record's playing. I'll show you my scratch. My kid pulled this and he didn't understand that you have to lift the needle, so he just went like that and ruined this awesome CD, Green Day. Anyways, his favorite song right there has a scratch in it. Let me try to find it for you guys, show you guys what's going on. I think it's right here where my finger is. You can see that scratch right there. It's playing better now, where it would just play for about maybe 10 seconds on the whole song and just skip right off. Now I'm actually getting about 80% of the song, and I'm constantly just holding this here. And you could do this if you want to work it like that, but don't forget, they're so fine, those grooves, that you're gonna have to place this in every groove to smooth that back out and try to clean it. So that's why I like to just let it play by itself. I hold it in place, and that way my record comes back to normal. Now, if your gouge is really, really deep, obviously that has wrecked it. But if it's not too bad, this is definitely worth a shot, and let it ride. See how I'm letting that toothpick ride right there? If I can get in there and show you guys. Just holding it and letting it go through the grooves as it would. So if this video helped you out and fixes your record, all I ask is give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Do something like this where you tape it, and make sure if you want to add more weight, if your groove is deeper, like I told you guys about adding like 1/4 or 2/4 or 3/4, and then get that toothpick to groove right in that in the groove that it needs to go into to straighten out the disc. I would try it without any quarters at first, and then keep working your way up and add 1/4 and let it play, and 2/4, and keep going round and round. Take your time because you don't want to overdo it. So